There you have it. Basically a 1/10 scale mezzanine. There's a couple of parts I didn't print enough of, like the flooring up here. Basically, you have a choice between the diamonds or this plain, basically full sheet or single pieces like this here. Legs, well, you could put as many legs as you want. There's room for more, all depending on what you want to do. So basically, this is extremely modular. If you got extra pieces like this, you print whatever it is you need, whatever amount you need it of. I could have brought this out farther this way. You can keep going that way, and then you can do a right angle thing and start building it out this way and really have a setup where you can put shelves and stuff on the top. So that's pretty cool, no?